Russians got conflicting messages today about the coronavirus. Infections are soaring, and yet after 6 weeks of being stuck inside, they will soon be free. President Vladimir Putin says the national so-called non-working days will end. And work in construction and most other sectors should be resumed. Fantastic, we've run out of money. We'll go back to work, this relieved couple told our producer, but others were more cautious. I think the isolation measure should be extended until the end of the month or maybe even the end of June, she said. Putin's reasoning appears to be that Russia has added tens of thousands of hospital beds so it can cope with new infections as the economy revs up again. But it's hard to see how more openness squares with the worsening infectious situation that even state TV no longer tries to downplay. Russia now has the third most cases in the world. Vesti Nedeli, or News of the Week, showed healthcare workers grieving over the coffin of a dead doctor. I have never been so frightened and distraught as I am now, said Dr. Yuri Reitman. Indeed, Russia's death rate may be up to 3 times higher than the 2,000 or so official fatalities, according to the Moscow Times. It reports if a patient has the virus but dies from, say, pneumonia, that's usually what doctors list as the cause of death. For Putin, there may be good politics in moving to lift the lockdown now. Putin has taken on the role of liberator, political analyst Gleb Pavlovsky said to independent TV Rain, and he can shift the blame to others if bad news follows. It may also be that as Europe reopens, Russia doesn't want to get left behind. Chris Brown, CBC News, Vancouver.